In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Terrorism remains a grave menace that threatens global peace and stability, impacting societies worldwide. In this regard, the role of religious leaders in shaping narratives and offering guidance is crucial. Dr. Tahir Qadri, a prominent Islamic scholar, has emerged as a leading voice in promoting peace and denouncing terrorism. Through his groundbreaking fatwa, this article examines the significance of Dr. Qadri's fatwa on terrorism and its implications in the fight against extremism. Understanding terrorism. Terrorism is a complex phenomenon that distorts religious teachings, exploits grievances, and employs violence to spread fear among innocent people. Regrettably, some individuals misinterpret Islamic principles and engage in acts of terrorism, resulting in widespread suffering and a distorted perception of Islam. Dr. Qadri's fatwa on terrorism. Dr. Tahir Qadri, a respected Pakistani-Canadian Islamic scholar, has made significant contributions in countering extremism and promoting interfaith harmony. In 2010, he issued a comprehensive fatwa known as the Fatwa on Terrorism, which gained widespread recognition for its clear condemnation of terrorism and violence committed in the name of Islam. Here are some keynotes of the fatwa. Absolute prohibition of terrorism. Dr. Qadri's fatwa explicitly states that terrorism has no place in Islamic teachings. It emphasizes the sanctity of human life and the need to preserve it. Protection of non-Muslims. The fatwa underscores the inviolability of non-Muslims living in Muslim majority countries, highlighting their right to life, property, and religious freedom. It firmly rejects forced conversion and promotes respect for diversity. Condemnation of suicide bombing. Dr. Qadri's fatwa categorically denounces suicide bombings and martyrdom operations, declaring them contrary to Islamic teachings and a violation of the sanctity of life. Rejecting of vigilantism. The fatwa dismisses the idea of individuals taking the law into their own hands, stressing the importance of legal systems in addressing grievances and ensuring justice. Promotion of peace and harmony. Dr. Qadri's fatwa encourages Muslims to contribute positively to society, promoting peace, justice, and interfaith harmony. It emphasizes the significances of dialogue, understanding, and cooperation among people of different faiths. Implications of the fatwa. Dr. Tahir Qadri's fatwa carries profound implications in the fight against terrorism and extremism. Religious legitimacy. By issuing a comprehensive fatwa condemning terrorism, Dr. Qadri provides a religiously grounded counter-narrative that delegitimizes acts of terrorism and removes religious justifications used by extremist groups. Educational and media impact. The fatwa serves as an educational tool, enlightening both Muslims and non-Muslims about the true teachings of Islam. It acts as a reference point for countering radical ideologies and promoting a peaceful understanding of the religion. Moreover, it challenges the negative portrayal of Islam in mainstream media by presenting an alternative narrative. Empowering moderate voices. The Fatwa empowers moderate Islamic scholars and leaders, offering them a strong religious basis to counter extremist narratives within their communities. It helps amplify their messages of peace and unity, ultimately marginalizing extremist elements. Global relevance. Dr. Qadri's fatwa has gained recognition and acceptance from scholars, leaders, and governments worldwide. Its influence extends beyond the Muslim community, fostering dialogue and cooperation among diverse groups in the pursuit of peace. Conclusion. Dr. Qadri's fatwa on terrorism is a groundbreaking initiative that emphasizes the true teachings of Islam, condemning terrorism in all its forms. It serves as an essential tool in combating extremism, empowering moderate voices, and promoting interfaith harmony. By shedding light on the peaceful message of Islam, the fatwa contributes to a better understanding of the religion and paves the way for a more peaceful and inclusively society. Please subscribe my channel Powers of Words Alfaz Ki Taqat, and share this video on your society.